The power of repetition and emphasis in persuasive speech. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on language skills for debates and discussions. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of persuasive language techniques, specifically focusing on one of the most potent tools in your persuasion arsenal: repetition and emphasis. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to understand what these terms mean. Repetition is the act of saying or writing something more than once. In the realm of persuasive language, repetition is a strategic tool that can make your argument more memorable and influential. On the other hand, emphasis is the special importance or value that you give to something. You can create emphasis by speaking louder, speaking slower, using a different tone, or even by repeating something. So, in a nutshell, repetition makes your points more memorable, and emphasis helps draw your listeners' attention to those points. Repetition is a time-tested persuasive technique. By repeating key phrases, you can make a statement stick in your listener's mind. This technique is used in everything from speeches and debates to advertisements and political campaigns. Remember, the trick is to repeat the key points you want your audience to remember. Overuse of repetition can make your speech sound dull and monotonous. So, be judicious. Moving on to emphasis, it is all about making your point stand out. You emphasize a word or phrase by altering your tone, pace, or volume. This signals to your listeners that what you're saying is important. For example, you can slow down when you're delivering a crucial point, or you might raise your voice slightly to grab attention. Remember, how you say something can be as impactful as what you're saying. The real magic happens when you combine repetition and emphasis. When you repeat a point, your audience is more likely to remember it. And when you emphasize that point, you signal its importance. This technique is a powerful one-two punch that can make your speech or argument more compelling and memorable. Think of Martin Luther King Jr.'s iconic, "I have a dream" speech. The repetition of the phrase, "I have a dream," and the emphasis placed on it, painted a powerful and unforgettable image in the minds of the listeners. That wraps up our discussion on repetition and emphasis. Remember, these are potent tools in your persuasive language toolkit. Used effectively, they can make your speeches and debates more memorable and impactful. We hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your persuasive language skills. Stay tuned for more in this series. Keep learning, keep growing,